Alright, let's get right into it. The year is 2025 and everyone is talking about AI, ChatGPT, coding, the same 5 or 6 side hustles. While everyone is looking left, the real opportunity is on the right. Hidden niches, a little bit of creativity and the right AI tools. $500 to $500 per day. Almost nobody is doing this yet. This isn't about get rich quick. It's about identifying untapped markets. The problem with most AI advice is that it's too broad. To win now, you need a better map and a smarter tool. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get into the first secret hustle. It's a good one. Okay, here is a fantastic one that I have not heard anyone talking about. It's AI-powered historical visualization for real estate agents and owners of old properties. Imagine trying to sell a gorgeous but run-down Victorian. Great bones, but buyers can't see past peeling paint, worn floors, and dated fixtures. They can't visualize the potential. This is where you come in. Offer AI-generated photorealistic images of what that exact home could look like, fully restored. The magic is in the AI. You take clean photos, exterior, living room, kitchen, and feed them into an AI image model with specific prompts. Not make it nice. Dial in the architecture and details. Craftsman living room, original style hardwood, restored batchelder fireplace, period lighting. It generates a stunning photorealistic after that feels like a vision, not a generic 3D model. It helps agents sell faster and for more money. On a $700,000 listing, a $500, $1,500 image package is a tiny marketing expense that can unlock a 5-figure commission. Before, you needed an architect, a 3D artist, and weeks. Now, you can deliver in hours. Sell to homeowners too. Clear visuals reduce costly mistakes and miscommunication during renovation. 1 or 2 projects a day and you're easily clearing $500 to $2,500. It's an incredibly underserved niche. Alright, how do you start? First, tools. Your workhorse is an AI image generator. Midjourney is top tier for photorealism. Budget about $30 a month. You also need a basic photo editor, Canva or Photopea, both free. Use templates to present clean before, after boards. Get a before photo from your client, or practice with a Zillow listing to build your portfolio. Example, convert a dated brick fireplace living room into modern farmhouse. Upload the image. Prompt for photorealistic interior. Specify modern farmhouse. Cover brick with white shiplap. Add wide plank oak floors, neutral furniture, bright airy mood. R16.9, V6.0. Details guide the model to exactly what you envision. Pick the best, try variations, then upscale to high resolution. Repeat for every requested room or angle. Speed improves with practice. Assemble a polished package in Canva. Logo, property address, clear labels, before and potential after restoration. Deliver individual images and a simple, elegant PDF. You're selling a complete marketing asset, not just cool pictures. That professional touch justifies premium pricing and turns this into a real business. Next, a high-emotion, high-profit product, hyper-personalized, print-on-demand children's storybooks using AI. Forget generic name insert books, we go deeper. Today's AI lets the hero look like the child. Name, appearance, best friend, pet, favorite themes. It becomes a book about their world. Set up a simple site or Etsy shop with a clear form. Parents crave meaningful, unique gifts. Feed details into an AI writer like ChatGPT-4 for a unique story every time. Then generate illustrations in a whimsical children's style. Keep character descriptions consistent for continuity. Use vibrant colors, simple backgrounds, and a 3:2 ratio for print friendliness. Price each book at $40–70. Costs are mainly AI subscriptions and printing. Use KDP or Lulu, no inventory. When an order comes in, upload files, they print and ship. Printing might be $5–10, the rest is margin. 10 to 20 books a day puts you in the high-income bracket. A beautiful, semi-automated business with massive emotional appeal. Getting started is about a simple, efficient workflow. Start on Etsy. Buyers already search for personalized gifts, so you don't need an audience from scratch. Create a compelling listing with AI-generated samples, varied character styles, themes, and high-quality art, close-ups. Explain the process and highlight how special each book is. Collect details via Etsy personalization or a linked Google form. Name, appearance, friends, pets, favorite topics. Organization lets you scale. When an order hits, Draft the story with ChatGPT 4. Tweak lightly. Storyboard the key scenes. Generate images. Layout in Canva. Export print-ready PDFs. Upload to KDP or Lulu. They handle printing and shipping, so you can focus on sales and delivery. For the consulting-minded, AI-driven local business audits, use simple AI tools to evaluate a business's website, Google profile, social media, and reviews. Deliver a clear report showing what to fix to get more customers. Think dentists, plumbers, restaurants, they're great at their trade. Not online marketing. Spot slow sites, poor mobile UX, terrible SEO, weak Google profiles, and unanswered negative reviews. Fast. Run AI crawlers and sentiment analysis to surface patterns, like frequent complaints about wait times. Package insights into top 5 issues and 5 steps to fix them, projecting call volume gains. Offer a $500 audit, 10-15 pages generated in hours with AI. Upsell implementation for 1,000 plus. Rewrite website copy, generate social content, and manage reviews. One client can be worth $1,500, and there are millions of local businesses in the USA alone. You don't need to be a sales expert. Lead with value. Don't pitch cold. Send a free one-page mini audit to prove expertise. Pick a category and city, e.g., dentists in Phoenix. Skip the top listings. Scan pages 2 to 4. Select one with okay reviews but room to improve. Audit their website and Google profile. In 15 minutes, pull a wow metric, like site speed from 8 seconds down to under 2. Subject: a quick idea for your Google profile. Open with a friendly note. Share the key review insight. Attach your snapshot and invite them to request the full audit. Send this to 10 businesses. You will get positive responses and your first $500 client. Any one of these hustles can hit $500, $1,500 day. So why won't most people do it? It's not tools or market, it's mindset. Initial friction, fear of not being an expert, analysis paralysis. You don't become an expert by reading, you become an expert by doing. Your first outputs may be imperfect. That's okay. Start, get feedback, iterate. Momentum beats perfection. Fear of outreach is common. The worst outcome is a no. That's it. Best case, a business that changes your life. Decide to separate yourself from the 99% by taking one small action today. If you pick real estate, find one ugly house and make one good after. If storybooks, write one prompt and see the story it creates. Small wins build unstoppable momentum. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. We covered concrete models, AI real estate visualization, personalized children's books, and local business audits. These are fresh, not saturated. All you need, a few AI tools and the willingness to execute. The opportunity is real, and it's waiting for you. Don't let this be another video you forget. Break the cycle. One small start can become a $500 day and a 6-figure side hustle. Homework, pick one. Open a new tab. Start a free trial. Write your first prompt. Spend at least 15 minutes a day. 20 call 23 Amber Sauer Amarwood Widen Sherbird the Northern Dan Century Bambi to Guo Brown Wow Surge or Bear Dawa users and everyone else. Step onto the right side. You're building a compounding skill. Don't wait for permission. Start now. Start small. The roadmap is in front of you. The rest is up to you. Thank you for watching.